Imagine having 4 pairs of eyes watching every single inch of your car 24 hours a day. Most dash cams only look forward, but what happens if someone hits your side or tries an insurance scam through your passenger window? Today, here on ShopSmart, we're analyzing the ZMOPO D435, a complete surveillance system that eliminates every blind spot with 4-channel simultaneous recording. If you're a rideshare driver or just want total protection against road incidents in 2026, you need to see how this black box works before installing any other camera in your vehicle. What makes the ZMOPO a security beast is its unique construction. The main unit houses 3 adjustable lenses that you can rotate to cover the front and sides, or even point one inside the cabin. The 4th camera is mounted on your rear window, ensuring nothing escapes the record. The practical result, if someone sideswipes you at an intersection, you'll have 1080p full HD evidence from an angle that standard cameras simply can't reach. It's a level of perimeter awareness that redefines modern dash cams. But what happens when the sun goes down? Many budget cameras deliver nothing but blurry messes in the dark. The ZMOPO D345 comes equipped with 8 powerful infrared lights and WDR or wide dynamic range technology. Picture this, you're driving out of a dark tunnel into the bright midday sun, or navigating a street with almost no lighting. The sensor automatically adjusts the light frame by frame so that license plates and faces remain sharp and usable as evidence. Here is a technical detail that saves both lives and your wallet. The ZMOPO doesn't use standard lithium batteries, but a supercapacitor. Dashcams with batteries can swell or even explode if left parked under the scorching sun for too long. The D345 supercapacitor is extremely resistant to temperature extremes, ensuring the camera works perfectly for years and that your videos are saved safely the exact moment you turn off the engine. Another pro tip feature is the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If you've ever tried to download a video from a standard dashcam, you know it can take forever. With high band Wi-Fi and the free app, you can transfer heavy files to your phone in seconds. If a police officer or insurance agent asks to see the footage right there on the roadside, you'll have the proof in the palm of your hand without ever needing to remove the memory card. ZMOPO is generous enough to include a high-speed 128GB micro SD card in the box, which is essential to handle the massive data flow of 4 cameras recording at once. For those who want total vigilance, it offers 24-hour parking mode. It uses a time-lapse technique that compresses 60 minutes of monitoring into just 1 minute of video, saving card space while protecting your car against vandals or hit-and-runs in parking lots. Just remember, for this function, you'll need the hardwire kit. Is it worth it? If your priority is total coverage and peace of mind, the ZMOPO D345 is unbeatable. It trades 4K resolution in the front for 1080p in 4 different directions, a very smart trade-off for real security. If you want to upgrade your car's security today, I've linked the ZMOPO D345 along with the required hardwire kit right here on the YouTube shopping button on your screen. You can also check out my curated tech and auto picks over on my Amazon storefront linked in the description below. Now, if you love the idea of 360 degrees vision but want to see the competition, I've already reviewed a direct rival that is also a massive bestseller, the Pruvio D90 4-channel dashcam. The protection style is very similar, and you can compare which one fits your specific car better. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to ShopSmart to always shop better. See you in the next one.